Okay, hello everyone. Hope you all good and well. My name is Briana Alifia, and here I present my research about valuation of wellness startup, a study using discounted cash flow technique. This research done by me, Briana Alifia, and Atika Irawan. Okay. Did you realize that flexible working hour becoming a trend right now? The rising trend of work from anywhere and flexible working hours in emerging countries is leading to a hustle culture. However, there are several side effects from this hustle culture. Proven by the data, the high rate of employee turnover in 2019, with the highest rate 14% in financial industry. This research done by Wong and Mercer Avian in 2020. Moreover, the exceeding working hours of more than 40 hours per week and the low quality sleep fell below 7 hours in 2021 compared to 2022. This research done by Zep Health in 2022. Whether you realize it or not, this all lead to a long-term stress. However, there is another problem. In 2019, there are 3.7% of the Indonesian population suffered from depression. In the meantime, Indonesia only has 48 mental health facilities and 50% of it residing in Jakarta. I see that the solution to a mental health problem is not just psychology. There are also wellness services that are able to help people in getting a better quality of life. From 2017 to 2020, the industry, health and wellness industry, contributed 3.44% of CAGR to Indonesian GDP. However, if we compare to wellness economy in Asia Pacific, Indonesia only contributes 2% of it. Therefore, in 2021, there is an increase in wellness startup investment, accounting for more than 700 investment worth about 29 billion USD invested. Moving on, this research will talk about the startup valuation. So what is startup? Startups are newly founded, innovative business that operates up to 2 years and a maximum of 10 employees. Additionally, it highlights how innovation serves as a startup primary point of differentiation and the growth, also the risk that follows. The study will start with the company activities, financial statement, internal and external analysis to get the assumptions that will be used to calculate the financial projections. Traditional methodologies for valuing enterprise or startup, like the cost approach, income approach, and market approach, are inappropriate for startups, according to Montani and Gervasio. As a result, the valuation in this study will be determined using the discounted cash flow approach. Melt is one of the wellness startups in Indonesia that aims to help Indonesian society to achieve and build wellness habits through engaging product and services. For the internal analysis, I will use SWOT, strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats of the company. Okay, the first one, strength. The company has several strengths that are become the competitive advantages. For the weakness, overall, it all caused by the management does not have a clear financial vision, especially on the company valuation. Looking to the opportunities, the company should utilize the increasing in the health and wellness industry, especially on the investment and government support. And the external threat is that the upcoming new entrants and substitute products. For this external environment of the company, the detailed explanations will be used. Porter 5 forces framework. Okay, here are the Porter 5 forces framework. The first one, I will discuss about the new entrants. The health and wellness sector has a wide range of products and services that operate within the expanding business. Due to the possibility of additional new competitors, this could be both an opportunity to increase the market size and also a threat since there's no requirement for significant resources or capital to launch a business in this sector. For the threat of substitutes, many substitute products and services of wellness in Indonesia, such as the traditional wellness products, such as herbs, massage, and etc. This proven by Global Wellness Institute research that they are contribute 3.4 USD billion to Indonesian traditional wellness economy in 2019. By then, Indonesia being the second largest traditional wellness economy in global. Although there are many choices of substitute products, the company that have differentiated and unique products and services will having a low bargaining power of buyer, providing a unique, high-quality product and personalized experience for customer is a plus point and the customer willing to pay more. Moreover, due to the country's growing interest in health and well-being, there are recently been an increase in the number of experts offering services, including dietary counseling, fitness coaching, and mental health therapy. The majority of the knowledge in health and wellness is only fair when it comes to personal branding. Therefore, they require a third party such as the wellness startups to bring the added value to their service. But overall, by recognizing the four forces that already described before in the health and wellness sector that have an impact on the company, it can be said that the industry competitiveness is quite severe. The growing health and wellness trend will be followed by a number of majority firms offering a wide range of products and services. By then, I propose several new products and services for the company in order to increase the company value as well. There are sport program, mindful hiking, corporate wellness program, 2 weeks intensive mindfulness program, clothing line products, and wellness thematical kit. Continue to pro forma financial statement. Okay, in summary, the company will generate revenue 2.3 billion rupiah in the year 5, which is 2027. And from the 5 years projections, I continue with DCF Valuations by determining the WACC first. The discount rate and WACC will be calculated using the following assumptions. The first one is beta. The beta will be calculated to assess how sensitively the company responds to changes in market pricing. The other will benchmark the listed healthcare company in Indonesia, the One Hospital, that has a beta of 0.352 when compared to Indonesian healthcare industry. Second one is the risk-free rate, which is now 5.95%. That will be calculated using only 2022. This represents the returns on investment with no risk. The market return will be calculated using the 5 years return rate of Indonesian Composite Index or IDX Composite, which is estimated to be 2.35%, and this represents the anticipated of total return. Since the company does not have plan to take any debt, then the WICC will be using the cost of equity, which is the same as the capital asset pricing model or CAPM, accounting to 4.45%. This calculation of WICC and the previous calculation of the projection financial statement, the pro forma financial statements, resulting in the company valuations in 2027 accounting to 1.7 billion rupiah. In conclusion, the discounted cash flow method is utilized specifically in the study to value a wellness startup that already operates in Indonesia. To draw venture investor and prove the company's sustainability, it is essential to forecast the company's future value based on its post-forma financial performance, and the result is that the company value more than 2 billion rupiah in 2027, which is prospective enough for the startup since the industry is still rising. Moreover, the author suggests to conducting further research for another case and adding more comprehensive assessment to further research. And that's all to conclude my research. If you have any questions, please reach me out. Thank you so much.